Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic and it's glad to have you guys back to the channel. So over here guys, we are going to be talking about the Woof Airdrop claim. So previously I made a video about how to claim Woof airdrop, but unfortunately we were not able to arrive at a possible solution on the video. So I promised you guys that I'm going to be making another video on how we can be able to claim our Woof airdrop that we all participated on. And right here on this video, this is where I'm going to be dropping the final solution to how we are going to be able to claim our Woof token airdrop. So if you were with us about a few days ago, you will notice that we filled a lot of form on this Woof airdrop. So over here guys, on the Telegram channel, this is where we posted a lot of information about it. So if you fill the form and you possibly qualified for the airdrop, stay tuned and stay sharp because we are gonna be arriving at the solution right now on this video. All right, so what we need to do let me now show you guys something. So over here guys, on the X handle or Twitter handle, this is where they provided the solution to that. So over here you can see something right here. For the members who pasted their trust wallet address in the form, there is a solution, and over here this is the solution, and we are going to be talking about the solution right here on this video. All right, so stay tuned and stay sharp. Do not skip any part of this video because it is not all that easy to resolve, but by God's grace we are going to be able to do it on this video. All right, so you know how we do it on this channel. This channel is all about how to make money for free in the crypto space without having to make any single investment over it. All right, so on this channel we do not ask you for anything. We do not ask you for your money or so anything. Just come over here on this channel and learn one or two things that's going to help you make money in the crypto space for free without having to make any single investment over it. So right now guys, you know how we do it. We have a free BNB campaign where we give our viewers free BNB for just watching our video. So if you're watching our video right now, you stand on a very good chance of getting yourself free BNB by just interacting with our channel. So right now, how do you interact with our channel? So to interact with our channel, all you got to do is simply go to make sure that you are subscribed to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So after subscribe, you go ahead and tap on this bell icon and select all so that YouTube will send you notification immediately we post the new update. So after that, you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up like this, then you share this video to any social platform of your choice or to your family and your friends who you think they also need this information. And lastly, you go ahead and put an interesting comment right here on the comment section so that you are going to be among the people that's going to be picked next for the airdrop. All right, so right now let's go back and talk about this. So over here, the first solution is to come over here. We are going to be doing it together. So the first thing first is firstly find the seed phrase of the trust wallet solana address. So assuming you use trust wallet for the trust wallet that you use, that you copy the solana address from, so you are going to need to go ahead and copy the seed phrase of the trust wallet. That is the account, the seed phrase of the account where you got the solana address from. That is the solana address that you used to fill the form that we filled. All right, so first thing you need to go ahead and copy it, after which you go ahead and download Mate Wallet. Okay, so you go ahead and download Mate Wallet, you import it, then now in the space for the path, press the option and select the option with this specification right now. So let's go ahead to our trust wallet, Play Store, to download the Mate Wallet right from there. So over here guys, on your Play Store, you go to the search bar, you go ahead and type in Mate Wallet or Mate Wallet, whichever you want to call it, Mate Wallet like this. Then this is it right here. So over here you go ahead and click on the installation button. So this is going to be installing the Mate Wallet into your phone, after which we are going to be proceeding with the next step. So the next step is obviously to go to your trust wallet where you copy the solana address from. So assuming that this is where you got your solana address from, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on this wallet icon. I'm using wallet 14 for it. So you click on these three dots, then over here this is where you're gonna be seeing your recovery phrase. So once you just click on it, your recovery phrase is going to be shown. Okay, so your recovery phrase is going to be shown, then you go ahead and copy this recovery phrase right here. Then once you just copy it, then you go ahead to open your Mate Wallet. So after it is done installing, then you go ahead and open your Mate Wallet, then you use the same recovery phrase that you got from your main wallet where you got your solana address from to open the Mate Wallet that you are downloading right now. So once the Mate Wallet is done installing, what you got to do is simply click on open. So once you just click on open, this is going to be opening the wallet for you, and over here you just need to click on this check button right here. Then that is you are confirming that you accept the terms and conditions. Then you go ahead and click on confirm. All right, so over here on the confirm button, this is going to be opening up the wallet for you, where you need to do some couple of things. So over here you need to choose a blockchain. There are a lot of blockchain right here, but you just need to select all the possible one you can still do this later, but you just need to keep on selecting blockchains that you want. So over here the Woof token that we are going to claim is on Solana blockchain, so obviously we need to select Solana like this. So over here you need to click on import wallet. Over here you import by mnemonic. You click on import by mnemonic. All right, so when you click on it, you are going to be asked to select the options like this. So over here, this is where you input your mnemonic phrase, which is the seed phrase of the wallet that you use, that you got your previous Solana address from. And over here concerning this is, let me show you guys something right here on the X handle. We need to select the option with M44/501/0. So let's go ahead and select it like that. Okay, so over here on this drop down 44, I guess this is it right here, M44 M/44/501. That is it, I guess. So that's it. So but let's check out let's see if we have other different options. So I guess we have that's the option that we have. Okay, this is it right here. This is the one that we are using. So this down here, you go ahead and select it. This is the one, the correct one, I guess. So that is it, guys. So over here, guys, the next thing we need to do is simply go ahead and paste our mnemonic phrase right here. Then we input our name right here. Then we input our password. Then we confirm our password. Then finally we go ahead and import our wallet down here. Right now you can see that our wallet has been imported successfully. So beware of fake website, my wallet, blah blah blah. So this is not our interest right now. So over here, guys, what we got to do right now is simply go ahead with the next step. So over here, guys, you can see the next step is create a password and you are done. Okay, you should see the same address on Trust Wallet now appear there. So what you need to do now is simply, now you can go to this website, which is the woofswap.co. Connect your Mate wallet to claim your token. So what you need to do right now is simply the solution is provided by blah 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 blah. Shout out to him. So right now let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so right now I will go ahead and go right here. You can see this is the same address that they talked about. So over here, guys, what we need to do is simply copy this address, then we go back like this. Then let's head to their website. I guess, where do I even find the website? Okay, so bear with me. I'm doing this actually for the first time. So what I need to do right now is, I think here like this. Then let's see, let me find something. Okay, so over here on the DApp, this is where the DApp is. So right now we go ahead and click on DApp browser. So over here we need to type in WoofSwap. Okay, let's see how it works. WoofSwap like this .co. So we go ahead and type down, then this should be opening up the website for us right now. Okay, open link for woofswap.co. So let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, so over here, this is where we need to paste the address. So we go ahead and paste the address like this. Then finally we click on search wallet. So this is gonna be searching our wallet, and when it's done searching our wallet, then the button is gonna show up right here. Then we go ahead and tap on it to claim our token immediately. Okay, and right now you can see the button just displayed right now. So what you need to do is just, once you paste your wallet right here, you give it like 5 minutes to wait. Like once you paste your address here, then you click search wallets, you wait for like 5 minutes. Then this token claim token button will appear. Then you just claim immediately. All right, so this is simply how you do it. All right, so right now let me click on claim token. Let's proceed immediately and know what we're gonna do next. All right, so stick around, do not skip the video. I believe we are going to be able to claim this token right now in just a little moment. All right. Okay, right now you can see that this button just popped up right now. Okay, so let me make it very clear for you. Sometimes when this page opens, this claim gun drop won't be alive immediately. You need to click right here and make sure that your wallet is connected. All right, so I make sure you have a little balance on your wallet to cover the gas fee. So right now let's proceed by clicking on claim gun drop right now, and this should be initiating a transaction right now. So I will click on confirm. So right now I need to input my password real quick, and we are going to go and click on confirm. Let's see what we're gonna have right here as it is loading up. You can see claim successful. We can see it right down here. Okay, so claim successful. Let's wait until it's done. and you can see we just claimed our token right now in a very easy way. So how do we confirm how do we see our token or something like that? Right here on the Twitter handle, let me copy the contract address like this. This is the contract address. Once I just copy it, then I have to go back to the app. You go to your Trust Wallet, then you come over here, you click on this button at the top. So this button right here, okay, you click on it. So once you just click on it, then you need to scroll down like this, then you get to search for just type in anything randomly, and it will not show you any coin, right? So then you go ahead and click on didn't see your crypto. When you click on it, then you this is where you're going to be adding the coin manually. So over here, you tap on the network, you select Solana, then you go ahead and paste the contract address right here, and all this one is going to fill up immediately. Then you click on import, and boom, you can see right here that your 2200 Woof token is already here waiting for you. All right, so you can see how easy it is, but I'm not gonna let you lose any of your assets. This will probably cost you $1 worth of Solana to claim this, and at the end the token that you are gonna be claiming is not gonna worth up to $1. All right, so that is just it. So I need to tell you the simple truth so that you'll be aware of what you are doing or what you are going into. So this will probably cost you $1 worth of Solana to claim what is not up to $1. So right now the choice is up to you. If you are claiming, I believe you have gotten your warning on this. So this is just how it is. So thank you, and remain blessed as we wait for the greater potential of this coin to reveal itself. All right, so thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember, follow us if you haven't followed us, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I wish to see you guys very soon. Peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day.